Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching this, I'm grateful you stopped by. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button now. The stars of the recipe today are fresh lemons from Europe and Maine lobsters. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make lobster tails topped with a garlic and lemon butter sauce. First up is parboiling the live lobsters. You want to do this 2 to 3 minutes in boiling water that's already been seasoned with salt and Old Bay seasoning. Immediately remove the lobsters and place them in an ice bath to avoid them continuing to cook. We will finish them off shortly in the oven. Hopefully you have someone in the kitchen that can help you prepare your lobster tails. So you'll be removing the head and making sure that you properly butterfly the tails and getting them ready for the baste. If you don't know how to butterfly lobster tails, don't worry, we'll share a video soon. Next, we're moving on to prepare the liquid paste that we'll use while we are broiling the rest of the lobsters. You want to prepare some fresh parsley, chop it fine, add in 2 cloves of pressed garlic. To that mix, you'll also be adding some Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, and you want to squeeze in the lemon juice of 1 lemon. These lemons are so fragrant, guys. And did you know that lemon was a part of the Mediterranean diet? It's one of the healthiest diets in the world, according to the WHO organization. So, now that our lobster tails have been butterflied, we're going to mix this liquid well, incorporating all the ingredients well. And depending upon the size of the lobsters and number of lobsters you're using, you might want to double the recipe. So we will baste our lobster tails with the liquid that we prepared, and we'll also coat the tail fully with cubes of butter. And this is to help keep the tails moist and just add in that additional flavor profile. You can go ahead and prepare your oven at broil temperature, anywhere from 450 to 500. And make sure you place it on the lower shelf of the oven. Now, the goal today is to keep this meal light and somewhat healthy, so I'll be serving it with a side salad, a nice spring salad for the summer. I'll use 2 additional lemons, chop them well. We're going to add a little bit more citrus and zesty flavor to this recipe. Keep an eye out on the lobster tails you have in the oven. You want to baste them halfway through the cooking process. So we'll be boiling them anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes. And again, this is dependent upon the size of the lobster tails that you have, guys. Removing those delightful lobster tails from the oven, letting them sit, and we're preparing our final lemon garlic butter sauce. So you should have some drippings left in the lobster pan. You want to melt some butter, remove it from the oven, add in those drippings, the rest of the basting liquid that you were using, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just 1/2. And the other half, we'll take it over to the lobster and the salad. We're on our way to finishing off this delicious dish. Mix your sauce well, and we're just gonna top off our lobster tails with it, guys. How easy is this? Now you can eat lobster tails every weekend, right? We'll finish the salad off with a little blue cheese dressing. And remember, we've already zested with some lemon juice, and you'll have some extra reserve butter sauce that incorporates well with this salad. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you didn't already, be sure to go back and hit the like and subscribe button now. Follow me on all my social media handles at Omni Lee. Be well.